All right, y'all. The rain is slacking up. All right. The rain is slacking up, ladies and gentlemen. All right. I must say, Nyla's gonna whip my booty, y'all. Why? I call Nyla a poo-poo girl. I'm just joking, y'all. Brittany gonna whip me too. Yes, indeed. The rain is slacking up a little bit, y'all. Okay, so yeah, it's slacking up. You know. Yeah, it's a little water here, there. You know. Okay. So yeah, that's what I do. You know. Rain has slacked up a little bit, you know. So, what will your boy Domino do today? Who knows? All right. So that's it for now. All right. Ta-ta.